Yo. Dude, I don't even know what I'm in. How's that sound? Bro, I didn't even know what I was in.
Order filled.
Oh, what up, Danny? What up, Austin? Yo, yo, yo. Yo, shoot. Shit's funny. I might take this long. I'm debating. What up, Keyshawn? I grabbed like 3 micros.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh, that was fucking nice. I'm still into 3 micros on this side, by the way. Ooh, I got my stop. I just got stopped out. Let me get all my shit set up. Oh. All right, I got the news guy on. I'm getting it all set up. What up, Tim? I'm just getting all my shit set up. Good now. Anybody in anything? Yo, Claude completely fucked up my whole shit. Yo, Claude went through and just freaking edited everything. Get my fucking emails off. I'm in a fucking group chat that apparently no one's going to play softball today. I gotta shut my AC off. That's what I need to do. This shit's fucking. Yo, what happened? I messed up when short 2 contracts thinking I was on. Oh, you're on minis? I've had that shit happen. I've had that shit happen, dude. When you think one thing and another thing happens, it's like when my friend brought back a chick and it wasn't a chick, and you're like, holy shit. Same thing, man. You hit that MNQ, but really you're on NQ, and you're like, oh shit, what is this? I didn't see this coming. What up, Trevor? We back. Oh. Yo, we definitely back. Man, I'm freaking exhausted, actually. Super bearish. Oh, jeez. Yo, I'm going to be honest with you. It's hard trading when you're doing a bunch of other shit at the same time, man. I even notice it when I'm on the stream, when I'm answering somebody's question or I'm doing something else on my computer. You know, it's hard doing more than one thing at a time. Bro, I've left orders in and gone, and I was like, fuck it. But I knew I expect to come back to the account done. Swiping, taking pictures for Foot Finder. Well, I saw the trades you took. It looked good. Yeah. It's just so hard to do multiple things at once, man. I have trouble I mean, it's so crazy.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Oh, look at this. Come on. Break it out to the upside. Let's go, little buddy. Nope. Dude, I'm with you, man. My wife comes in and crawls under the desk. I'm like, I can't focus on trading anymore. You just got to shut the charts down for a little bit, focus on whatever you need to do, and then come back. You know? What up, Fred? Yo, what up, Reese? Kamala? We did it. We did it, Joe. We did it. We did it, Joe. Trump is done talking. There's nothing new until the end of the day. FedEx earnings after hours probably won't do anything. Holy shit. I am missing that one indicator. I don't know. Where the fuck did that just go? By wild turkey? Bro, have you ever had wild turkey before? Bro, it's just nasty. Yo, you should go to a nice event and if you go to the bartender and be like, hey, can I get some wild turkey on the rocks? Bro, can I get some of the turkey on the rocks? Everybody just fucking stare at you. Bro, nobody drinks the turkey. Oh, I drank the turkey in college. Nobody drinks the turkey right now. By me, nobody drinks wild turkey. Bro. Yo, I haven't heard wild turkey since I was in college. Market don't go sideways because I need cash now. Come on. Yo, Bo Vosh, locking it in. Yo, what you gonna do with the money? What you gonna do with the payout? What do I think that this is in a range? I think it's more likely than not to break to the downside. What the fuck? Bro, all I'm gonna say is, yo, they make the odds better for us, bro. They take 2 dudes off the market. Just saying. I tell my friends that all the time that are gay. I'm like, yo, I appreciate you guys. You guys are taking 2 dudes off the market for me. They think it's hysterical. Oh. Yo, Miss Goody comes in. Yo, I love freaking joking around, man. Gonna buy some accounts. Yo, go buy some sushi also, Bo. Go get a good nice dinner out. Yo, Legends went to 90% off, buy one, get one at one point, Austin. Need a payout to sub to more OnlyFans accounts? I think they're pretty quick. I want to say they're pretty fast. Yeah, I'm curious. Expensive tuna salad? Dude, I like eating the raw fish, man. Every once in a while, I'll get some rolls. I'll get a couple rolls. You know, if I don't get a payout soon, I won't be able to visit my favorite my favorite Chinese massage parlors, bro. Yo, let's get Steven a payout. We need Steven to get a payout now. Hashtag Chinese massage parlor. Bro. Yo, I got the best fucking idea. I'll even bleep out I'm gonna bleep out the name. Yo, I'll cover
NYMEX
the name,
WTI
but
crude August futures settle
I'm
at
tweeting that message out and I'll
$73.21 a
cover
barrel,
fucking
down
Steven's
65
at
cents or
name.
0.88%.
I got something hysterical.
NYMEX diesel July futures settle at around $3.15 a gallon.
Yo.
NYMEX gasoline July futures settle at around
Yo, I got the
$2.95 a
new, what's he
gallon.
saying?
And finally, NYMEX natural gas July futures settle at around $3.14.
You're supporting a couple kids' colleges, Deuce? Bro, my dad's on an airplane texting us, and he just whipped out an Italian hero. He's that fucking guy. What up, Ron? Yo, you've been in here before. You've never traded? Get out of here. You've never traded before? Yo, that's crazy. I didn't know that. Yo, my personal account, I was hoping to take $1,000 out today. The account just needs to go up $1,460 for me to make that happen. Yo, I got a ticket in the mail from 2013 saying, what? Bro, I have no idea. Yo, my dad brings like 4 Italian heroes, opens up on the plane, and they're all caught up in like little 2-3 inch sections, and he starts handing them out to random people on the plane, including the stewardess. He takes the same flight from New York to Mexico, Probably like, I don't know, 15, 16 times a year. So he's doing it like once a month, twice a month. And he's been doing it for like 5 years. So everybody on the fucking plane knows him. Every stewardess on the plane knows him. Because the same people do, like, I guess, the same route. He gets on that fucking plane, man. He's like a local celebrity on that thing. I took a couple short, by the way. I took a couple short. I just went to break even. We'll see what happens. And yes, this is a funded account. Come on, man. I mean, I guess I'll take it off like, do not stop me out. Bro, why can't I close it? Bro, why can't I close the position? Oh my God, I can't close the fucking position. Oh my God. Bro. Yo, I can't close the fucking position. What the fuck is this? Yo, so I read. So this is a lower tier fucking. This is a lower tier prop firm that I'm doing this on. I read that they said something like that, like if you're in for like more than half your position, half the max size, you have to close out partials. Bro, that shit is whack. That shit is wackadocious. Yo, I can't even believe I'm doing that. Bro, that shit's for the birds. What prop firm that? Dude, don't even. Neo, believe me, you're never going to use it. It's a prop firm I can't talk about. I'm not even throwing it out there. Yeah, Bovash, it is. It's next gen. What happened was I have to get my code at every prop firm so fucking scammers don't get it, right? So every time there's a new prop firm, I get my code there. That's just so if some guy doesn't register my code, start messaging people on fucking X or whatever, thinking that it's me. So I got my code at Next Gen, and while I was fucking sitting there, they did some stupid thing where basically you can reset your account 1,000,000 times until you pass. I was like, whatever, man. I don't even know if I'm getting fucking paid, bro. We'll see if I get paid. But it's such a pain in the ass to trade on TradingView. I can't stand it. Bro. Trading on TradingView might be the worst thing ever. Bro, you couldn't sell out because it made too many contracts. Like, what is that? Yeah, it's closing out. You got to close out in partials if you're over like 5. Yep, you got to close out in partials if you're over 5. Bro, shit's whack. Yeah, that's the only way to do it, Neo. All right, well, 2 things. I have 3 funded accounts. I'm almost at a payout. I'm at 51,800. I'm at 52,285. And the other one's at 51,254. They're all funded. I even have one passed. Sitting in the account. You just fill out the CQG thing and they give you your password. They probably all number order deuces. So, like, if your account is whatever number it is, just do Ligma and then the account and then your number, and it should work. That's how I think they're all. LIGMA, and then your account number. Yo, you got to get the fucking CQG thing. You set the password up, dude. You create the password. Yo, you create the password yourself, man. I'm not exactly sure what you need help with. The username is going to be in an email that you're going to get, and then you set the password. Yo, what up, John? Yo, listen, if you're not going to have fun and laugh during the day, then your life's going to suck. You got to have fun and laugh, right? But check your email, deuces. Check your email. Type in CQG, and you'll see your username, and then the password is set by you. Man, you had to see this was going to go short. Oh my God. I don't know what I'm in. Hold on 1 second. Bro, I'm in gold? Oh no. Is this a copy trader fucking problem? Hold on. Dude, I was in gold. Somehow I just got filled in gold. None of my other accounts are in gold. I don't know what that gold was. Oh, I do know what that gold was. Jeez, 131. I'll play it. I'll play gold, actually. Take profit 15. Oh, come get me. Come do it. Come do it. Let's go. Bro, they're just fucking unloading this thing. Holy shit, they're unloading this thing. Anybody got a level? 617. I'll take a bounce off 617. Fucking lower day. Oh, yo, huge. You got AI doing trades now? No, not right now. Why? I'm just curious. What makes you think I have AI? Because I got in gold? No, what happened was I set gold orders. I'll show you. So this is the fib retracement for gold. And I put orders in earlier, but then I had to redo my ninja and it must have left orders in. I do have AI working on shit. It's gonna trade automatic. It's probably gonna trade my real money automatically. I will tell you right now, if this sweeps down, I will be looking for the comeback. Everybody loves a good comeback. I think the reason it's dumping is because Korea was down, like Kim Kardashian. Holy shit, man. This thing's fucking unloading. It's going to sweep below. It's going to sweep the lows right here. It's going to go under 616. I am going to smash it in this account. Come on, get under fucking 616.
Order filled. Order filled.
Holy fuck. I want to see it come back over. This is just an eval. I want to see it come. I honestly want to see it go over 27 for me to actually get in. I need over 27. Come on, man.
Order filled. Order filled.
I just got in on gold, apparently. That is not a lot of meat on the bone for gold. See what happens. Being that it's 247. Come on. What, with gold?
Brent crude futures settle at $77.08 a barrel, down 82 cents or 1.05%.
I'm risking $30. I'm risking like 60, $70 in gold. I will be fine if I get stopped out.
The Nasdaq 100 extends decline to 3.5% at a session low.
Holy shit. If I can get up to like 34, I'll go to break even on gold. Come on. Look, now I can't lose on gold. It's a free trade. Free trade. All right. Gold I got stopped out of. $21 in like fucking 10 accounts. Can't complain. All right, let's go back to this account. What is this doing?
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
So we are shortly expecting comments now from Trump coming soon. We have found a video we've put on the feed for those interested.
Holy fuck. Yo, you guys get this or what? You guys grab this or what? What are we doing? Boing. Dude. Pump it. Yo, get it over 58. Go over 58. Holla at your boy. Go over 58. Oh, man, that was so fucking good. Bro, I'm going to need a... That was awesome. Dude, I just cranked that in a bunch of fucking accounts. Oh, man. Hey, dude. Yo, if you got it, smash the old confetti. Hit me with some confetti. Jeez. Here, I'll even open up the duckies. Jeez, man. Yo, real rough crowd in here today. Man. Just trying to make some money. Bro, he got a family. Yo, let the man make some money. Yo, just try my best.
We did it. We did it, Joe.
We did it. We did it, Cove. Bro, you were refilling your coffee? Bro, there's no refilling coffee and no deucing. That was the setup. We took out the fucking lows and then we swept it inverted. Bro, there was points on that. That was the setup. That was the stuff. Damn. Bro, I crushed these live accounts. So these are the net, look, up 481 today. That's 144, 625. These are all funded accounts. These two are near payout. Payout is over 350. I feel good. I feel good. Not gonna lie. Feel good about myself. Dude, don't buy him, Tommy. It's next. I don't even know if they're gonna pay me. Do not buy them. Do not buy them.
Do not come. Do not come.
I'm gonna come.
Trump on Iran says we're doing quite well.
Hello, Joyce. Yo, Trump's talking right now. Let me see. I'm just gonna patch it in. Let me see what he's talking about.
Billions and billions and billions and billions and billions
That's him at
and
the press
billions.
conference. All right, I'm gonna clip that off. We don't need to hear that. Billions and billions and billions and billions and billions. I fucking, bro. Billions, billions. This thing's gonna freaking unload. I think we're gonna close at low a day, primarily because the Korean market hit the circuit breaker, and I have a feeling that we're gonna sell off. We're gonna sell off into the close, because if the Korean market circuit breaks again, we're probably going to be even lower. So that's kind of my reasoning. I might take a short here at some point with just like 3 micros maybe.
So, Miranda, we do have a video of Trump speaking live on the feed for those interested.
Oh, Trump's talking on the feed. Hold on, I got to hit my alarm.
We're going to win so much, you may even get tired of winning. And you'll say, please, please, it's too much winning. We can't take it anymore.
Oh. I would like to see us dump here. I don't know if we are. So apparently I only got filled with 1 micro. Whatever. That's even better. I only got filled with 1 micro. I do think we're going to dump into close. That's my only reasoning behind it. Other than that, I don't really have a reasoning behind it. It's more or less the whole Korean thing. But I'm saying like the last 10 minutes of the day is probably going to dump. This shit's back over. I'm going to start playing fucking.
Order filled.
I'm just scalping here. I don't really have a. I'm literally just scalping off of IFVG. Don't follow this. I'm probably done trading funded accounts, just an FYI, unless something really. I might get in the pro account on a short going into close. Other than that, I don't love where we're at. I don't really love a lot of this. Was there news? So yesterday, the Korean market hit the circuit breaker and they basically shut the thing off. That's what happened last night in the Korean stock market. They were down. Samsung was down like 12%. Something else was down massive, and the whole market they hit the circuit breaker. So that might carry over until they're not open yet, obviously, but I'm just saying that it could definitely carry over into.
Trump says Iran has agreed to never have a nuclear weapon.
That's interesting. And guys, just hear that shit.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'm literally just playing off that news.
Order filled.
And Trump on Iran says we're getting along quite well.
Yeah, I bet. I don't believe that one. I don't believe that one. But look at the news out. Look. It's nice hearing it early.
Order filled.
Bro, that was like a fucking layup. Repeat that. The news came out and said that Iran agreed not to have a nuclear weapon. And then you had about
Trump and Iran says we're trying to work out a deal that's fair.
What up, Leah? Yeah, I mean, I don't think we're getting along great. Actually, a retest. Look, you kind of got like one of those double bottom fucking thingies. The W's that everybody loves. Yeah, isn't that? Is it going to go? Yo, do you think the guys that play W's like hold up the fucking W and whatnot as they're getting in? Yo, I'll buy SpaceX after the net. Yo, SpaceX, I'll see you at $50. I'm a buyer at 50. My brother's told me he put an order at $50 for SpaceX. I told him I put one at 49, so I can always tell him I got a better entry. It's probably going to dump. I mean, the real valuation is probably somewhere
Trump
around there.
praises decline in gasoline prices.
What up, Doug? You can't go to space? Why can't you go to space? I mean, I think they faked the moon landing. I mean, I'll be real on that one. I think the moon landing, if I had to put a percent on what I think the moon landing was, I think 85% chance that that was faked. Maybe 90%. It's almost impossible to be behind Russia in all aspects of space and then send somebody to the moon first. Bro, that footage looks worse than the footage I took in the 90s. Dude, it's so bad. I don't know how anyone could believe that shit. You're 50-50? I do think we've been to space. I just don't think they went to the moon at that given moment. What up, Tan? Bro, this thing just fucking ripped. Holy shit. Bro, I just had a hold. Dude, if I just held this, I could have got Granny out of that home. I blame the market. Now she's got 6 hours of arts and crafts today for Ben Stiller. How'd I do today? I'm up a ton. Up a ton. I'm up pretty much everywhere. Except for this eval. I'm up in funded accounts that are on my TradingView account. I'm up in funded accounts on Quant Tower. How much? I don't know. I don't really look at it like that. I look at it. Here, let me see. Let me just. I'll tell you right now. I'll add it up. I am up
700 billion and $1.3 billion.
That's how much I'm up. I don't know. I'm about to take 1, 2, 3. I don't know. I could possibly lock in 3 payouts tomorrow. 3, possibly 4. 3 or 4 payouts tomorrow. Bro, it's fucking. Joe Biden is way more gooder than Orange Man. I think they just need a reset on the whole old presence. I think. So I'm going to take a long over here at probably 51-ish.
Order filled.
Oh, that was 60. I meant to take one at 50. It's my bad. That wasn't 50. That's where I meant to buy in at.
Order filled.
That's where I meant to buy in at 50. That was my dumbass. Dumbass. Fucking. I bought it. Well, that's an average of 57. I bought at 60, but I thought I was buying. Bro, take me out of some of these, player. Take me out.
Order filled.
I just went for a scalp. I was basically looking at these highs to play a bounce off of that. See that? I got 5 micros left over here. Is that all I got? Yeah, I got 5 micros left. I did buy. I'll tell you right now, I bought. I was in pretty heavy. I pretty much bought at 50 though, on all the accounts, but this one. Now I'm completely out of everything. I went to break even at 50 and I'm out. Watch, I'm out and this thing fucking goes. I think the presidency, they're going to roll back and they're going to start going after younger people. I think Vance is probably going to win. If I had to guess. I'm not even political. I'm just telling you what I think is going to happen. Just keeping it reals. Just keeping it reals. I think Democrats aren't positioning anybody. Yo, what up, cartoon? Here, you want it open? Here, I'll open it for you guys. Here. Dude, let me see if I can set this thing to just fucking stay open. There we go. Oh, I'm cooking, Martin. Vance is cooked with the kids. Oh my God, did that just fucking do that?
So, according to Politico here, Lutnick signals possible action on Chinese robots.
I'm going to scalp this right here. Watch this.
Order filled.
Right to this fucking...
Order filled. Order filled.
So a bit more further info into this article from Politico. Lutnick told executives at
Order
a
filled.
closed-door meeting on Monday that his department is studying state-subsidized robotic imports and signaled the administration could take strong action once the review is complete, according to 3 people who attended the meeting and were granted anonymity to discuss it.
Order filled.
There we go. I literally played that right off this inversion. Once this came over, I got in long. My stop was right there. Only scalping. Not trend. Well, I'm just literally just playing super simple. Bovash says Epstein's a good friend of his and neighbor. Damn, man, that's crazy. What up, man?
We have posted the article out on the feed for those interested.
Yo, what up, Mulatto? Yo, nice dude. Yo, not gonna lie, though. You're telling me if you knew nothing and you were at some fucking party and some rich guy was like, that was friends of your friend, and he was like, yo, man, I got a private plane 5 minutes away. After this party, you want to come back to my place? I got my own private island. We're gonna have a crazy party back there. You're not telling me you're gonna get on that fucking plane? Don't get me wrong. Once you're there and you're like, holy fuck, I need to get out of here. You're not going back, but you're probably going once. You're probably like, sounds like a good thing. And then once you're there, you're like, bro, what the fuck is going on over here? I need to get out. That's probably what happened to a bunch of people. Not gonna lie. 2 a.m. You got a ton of drinks in you, and some guy's like, yo, man, we're gonna keep the party going on my private island. Plane's 10 minutes away. You're probably there. Don't say you're not. You're not going back after you see what's... Yo, that's why I call my friend. I'm like, yo, you'll never believe what the fuck's going on over here. I need to get out of here. I need to get out. You walk in, fucking Stephen Hawkins got fucking 3 girls on him. He's hitting the joystick button going, yeah. I mean, you're like, I need to get the fuck out. You guys are fucked up. Oh, man. Man, oh, man. This is holding. I think we're going to eventually dunk, though. I think if we can get under 55, this thing unloads. I used to hang out at a bar on a big lake. Yo, Diddy oil on deck, baby. Yeah, I'm sure there's crazy shit that goes on. I've been to a couple parties, actually close to where I live. I've been to some wild house parties. I've been to some house parties where I live, but before I lived over here. Yo, Code's like, yeah, they did. I was there. Oh, man. Yeah, that's why I moved here. I was like, yo, I need to go to these parties. Nah, the guy's house I went to these parties actually got fucking divorced, and I haven't seen him. Before I even moved here, I stopped talking to him. But yeah, I went to his house. He had a massive house on a massive piece of property. And bro, there's just like, you just went there and anything you wanted was there on the table for free. It was just shit laying around, girls all over. It was wild. I was like, bro, I'll tell you what, it was 2011. 2011, 2012. This is the fucking dump, I think. At 6:29, this hourly candle turns red. Mr. Zone? What's up, Mr. Zone? You a bot? You a bot? What are you? Oh, man. Dude, these fucking things, my ears are hurting me. Bro, did that just happen? Oh. Bro, it's so funny. It's so there's a rule, Miss Goody. If you come in here and just put the code in without saying hi, it just kicks you off for the Ducks for the day. You got to come back tomorrow. You can't just come in, drop a code, and leave and not say anything. That's the rule. You got to at least be part of the community that much. That much. Here, I'm going to take a, I'll take it in this.
Order filled.
I'm literally just going to fucking, this is the account that I may or may not have at the end of the day, by the way. I'm not saying you haven't been here before. I'm just saying when, you know, say what's up when you come in. We like to hear from people. That's all. We like to just hear from people. Hey, man, what's up? Yo, my day is good. Tell a joke. Just say, hey. Somebody got so mad. So what I did, son, so I screenshotted the chat. Yo, this is a good one, Miss Goody. I screenshotted the chat. And only the people that talked, and I excluded anybody that hit. If you only did exclamation Cove Trader, it didn't count as typing something. So you got to actually type something in the chat, and that's how you got added to the duck race. Bro, Ron got so fucking mad. Bro, he got so mad. So mad. Bro, I thought he was going to cry. He got so mad. Yo, that shit was so funny, though. No soup for Ron. Yo. Yo, what'd you say? What if all my letters on my keyboard are sticky and stuck down? Oh, our Cove Trader. Oh, my bad. It just happens then. Ron goes wrong? What? These Carnival cruises? Yo, I seen some Carnival cruise videos, man. That shit's wild. Once you watch one video on Instagram, you fucking see all the same type of shit. Whatever you do, do not watch Pineapple Kool-Aid. I got fucking Pineapple Kool-Aid coming out. It's so ridiculous how many Pineapple Kool-Aid reels I see now. Dude, shit's wild. Pineapple Kool-Aid all day. Bro, I guess you put Kool-Aid in the pineapple, fucking wild. Can you explain what you were looking at on the side screen? I was looking at this inversion right here. I don't even have to look at it. See right the bottom of this and the top of this, and I was looking at that. I play a lot of inversions. It just, I was literally looking at that on my fucking side screen. What up, Wild Lenses? So this is what I'm looking at on my other screen. So I have this tab. I have this tab. See, you created the inversion right there at 63. This is my testing thing for fucking Claude. I'm working on, this is buying the first 5-minute inversion. Just curious if this changes the fucking numbers. Profit factor, yeah, it did. Made it better. This is just buying. I don't know what it is though. Like, you know, I didn't really like, I literally made this at lunch. So there you go. Look, if you buy the first 5-minute inversion, 5-minute fair value gap, this would be your stats over the last 90 days. I don't know why. Oh, some of these inversions are probably massive. June 17th. See, then you gotta go back and see. You gotta see what the fuck happened. You gotta make sure the script is working correctly. That doesn't look like one, so I don't know what the fuck's going on. But anyways, I use all this and this tab shows me, look, higher time frames. This is the hourly 15-minute, and this is the one, and then this is everything overlaid on the one, and then this is separated. So I get a view of everything. Yeah, that was an IFVG. Yep. I play them constantly. The reason why I play them is you have what do you call it? Like, so once you invert, like I have a stop now at 643. So I know where to stop out at. You know, I was targeting these wicks up here. Normally you're supposed to let it close, but I knew once I played it, I just scalped it. It wasn't fucking, I don't even know what I made on it. $130. But these are not, I was watching it and I just clicked it real fast. Is that like a great setup? Not really. You know, you took out these lows, which is obviously good. I don't know. It's fucking 326. This isn't the best time to trade. But yeah, this is what my screen looks like. I know it seems like a lot's going on, but you know, bro, why is that fucking? But yeah, that's what I use a lot. Dude, I don't think this thing worked correctly. Yo, it didn't work correctly. I don't even see. Oh, is this the one that I created? That's technically not the first one because this is pre-market. It shouldn't even count. Actually, it would have gotten smoked because that would have been the first one to the downside. I don't know. I gotta look at that after hours to make sure the script is working. I like this chart. I use this. This is changing state of direction of delivery. And I use these candles a ton. These are 5-minute candles. I use this a lot, like a lot. You could see, basically it gives you an idea of the trend on the 5-minute chart. So see, I use this a lot. That is by, I'll show you the indicators by, it's Alpha Algo. But I got a bunch of screens. Like, I'm not looking at just what you see. Like, I got a lot of screens up. I just want you to be aware of that. Like, I'm looking at a lot of information. Yo, look at that gold though. This gold, I was in it right here, by the way. I bought right here. I could have just, that was a nice freaking bounce. Just had a hold. How easy is that? Just have to hold. Personal account's down 670 right now. I'm not worried about that. Not worried at all about it. Damn. Boom. You think it's going to get the 15? I mean, you're close. Close over 724 and you got it, right? $724. Yo, I got this shit going too. Here you go. Are you playing it?
Order filled.
I meant, like, what are you doing exactly? Are you buying crypto? Oh, I'm trading futures. I'm trading futures with prop firms, and I'm trading stock and options on my other screen. I'm trading stock and options on my laptop, and I'm trading futures on the screen that you see. Why? What are you trading, Wild? I think there's a high problem. I mean, I still like, my bias is to the downside, knowing that what happened last night on the Korean Stock Exchange. You know, I'm just looking. Tell you what, though, over 724. I am watching. Jeez. Is this it? Is this going to go? Are you taking a shot here or not? Obviously, we don't have enough time for it to wait to close at another 11 minutes. Trump is actively trying to pump this market up. He's talking. Yeah.
Order filled.
I'm going to take another shot at this shit. I think Trump's going to fucking pump it. Do not follow this. This is just a pure speculative
Order filled. Order filled.
come on. I don't trust anything in the day, just an FYI. I don't know why I don't have the positions here. Bro, I want you, your fucking neighbor to know about it. I want everybody to know that I am in. Oh, lenses. Well, if you're just learning, feel free to hang out, ask, whatever. We're just hanging. We're just chilling out. Oh, man. I'll tell you what, in 9 minutes, if you get a close up here, it's just obviously it doesn't really matter because the fucking market closes soon, but man, no, it's not. I could turn it down. You want me to turn it down? Here, I'll turn it down a little bit for you guys. Oh my God. I just fucking clicked my mouse by mistake. I just clicked my mouse by mistake. I just got out. I accidentally clicked my mouse. I made $30 by accidentally clicked my mouse. I just got out though. Boom, 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 boom. Man, I want to freaking land some payouts. What the? Yo, Miss Goody. Oh, that's hysterical. Oh, you let in that case, back up. Full volume. Yo, there you go, Robert. Yo, that's what YouTube needs. YouTube needs to have GIFs in the chat. And then it would be the ultimate. Like if you could drop GIFs in the chat, that'd be the best. That to me is where it's at. Yo, all seriousness, this 15-minute chart actually looks pretty good.
Order filled.
I'm just going to take it. Do not do this in any account that you like I'm just going to take it. I'm not copy trading this. I'm not trading it in a funded. I'm literally... I really wanted to hold, and the CS 15 minutes, 6 minutes and 19 seconds left. I want it to close above 720. That would be typically what I'd be looking at if we were earlier in the day, and then I would stop out at 680. Chat would get spammed all day. I don't care, man. Fucking spam it. I'd love it. I love watching the GIFs all day. MOC up. Oh, baby. Who's doing MOC? Let's take a consensus here. MOC to the upside? Bro, I don't think I'm going to play it. MOC, the aftermath? Yo. This thing better hold. It closes in less than 5 minutes. Come on, little buddy. You can do it. Dude, they better pop this up soon. Yeah, I'll be honest, I don't really play MOC. There's a bunch of degenerate guys in here that do. I actually don't. Unless I have an account that's absolutely getting, like, it's basically done. I don't play that. You know, if I'm holding something into MOC because I like the chart, that's something different. But I'm not just going to buy for MOC. I don't like that we're back under 724, to be completely honest. Did I? I think it was a shit account. Oh, it was the Apex account with no, oh, you know what, Miss Goody? I'm going to end up getting stopped out here. It's one of these. I'm going to do, I went to click it and it wouldn't let me buy, remember? They won't let you buy. I'll play it. What's weird is Apex, once you get to a certain level, you can't buy more than one mini. Bro, yesterday they wouldn't let me buy more than one mini. I was doing it on the stream. I'll play. I mean, the account's got $161 of drawdown. I'll play. How many can I play? See, yesterday they wouldn't let me do it. Hold on, my kids just got here. Hold on a second. Are you on for a second?
I don't know. Mommy said to come from the shower. Yeah, and to have a relaxed night. Can you ask her?
Oh, I'm back. I let my kids in. My kids. The Amazon, dude, the Amazon driver was crazy. That shit was fucking wild. I see. I'm wondering, like, it couldn't hold over 724, so that kind of sucks. But I'm curious if they dump it into close because of the Korean stock market. What happens? Honestly, I'm having a great day. My personal account's only down $700, and the market's down over 3%. That's a huge win for me. All right. Which one is this? Is this done? No, I got money left in this one. All right. This one I'm going to do. Yo, I wonder if they cancel me where I can't buy 3 contracts right before MOC. Like they cut it off. You know what I'm saying? I wonder if they cut it off like that, where they're like, oh, you can't buy 3 contracts at MOC. It was down like 10% last night. I think you're going to get MOC to the downside. Look at that. Boom. $6,500 worth of knowledge right there. I definitely stacked gains today, though. I think they're going to unload this thing. I'm debating on whether to take it or not. I might just fucking take it.
Order filled.
Whatever happens, happens. I'm okay with this. What up, Wolf? Yo, MOC's in 2 minutes.
Order filled.
Holla at your boy. Keep going. Keep going, baby.
Order filled.
Keep going. Keep going, please. Keep going. Keep going. Oh, man. I think I need $100 more in this fucking account. I want to see how many trading days I have in here. If it's worth me going for an extra $100. All right, so I just got out. What account is this? Let me see what I need. Oh, hold on. I'm supposed to play. Hold on. You guys wanted to see me play? Yo, what are we thinking? Down or up? Down or up? I'm gonna play down. Don't do this. This account has like no drawdown left.
Order filled. Order filled.
There you go. $285. 65. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5 trading days. I think I need 8 fucking trading days. So I am gonna try to get $100 in this account right now. Yeah, it looks like up, but I still got it. I got it. I was like, got him. Seriously, I need freaking, dude, I got lucky, Danny. Danny, I got fucking lucky. We all know I just got lucky on that shit. I'm trying to think. I should just go for this shit, I guess, right? I'm just watching. I just grabbed the fucking short. Oh, I'm on.
Order filled.
Come on. Come to Butthead. Come on.
Order filled.
Yo, I hope you like that shit. Hope you like that shit. Damn. No way 900's happening. Wait, what are you doing? I don't even know what you're doing. I don't even know what setup is that. Maybe they just popped this thing. Who the fuck knows? Honestly, I'm probably just done trading. I was in this funded account. I was in this funded account and I was literally I was just so stupid. I got wicked out and I would have got a new trading day in, but didn't happen. Oh, like a turtle soup? Holy shit. So I just go all in real quick. Who wants to see an all in? As much as my bias is to the downside, I mean, this is obviously looking good. I mean, if you can get above these wicks on the 15, which are these, I mean, you might go all the way back up to 805 real fast on like just like a closeout squeeze. You know, it does that shit a lot. They're not going to go anywhere. We shall see. About to fucking find out one way or another. I'm watching. Watch them just pump the fuck out of this thing. Yo, Trump's got a cold Baron, big. Yo, we're going long right now. We gonna dump it?
Order filled.
Fuck it. Come on. Fucking push it.
Order filled.
Push it. I want to ride this bitch for free. Oh. I was just trying to get a freebie. Just trying to get a freebie. You got stochastics turning down. You're under the 9. I think you're going to get a freaking dump. Let's see what
Order
happens.
filled.
I could be completely fucking wrong. And if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. They're going to wick me out. Either way, I'm going to get wicked out, I think. So what happens is at the end of the day, a lot of times they pull the buys. I'm curious if it ramps up and then they pull the buys. Book is super thin. I'm going to try a 3 micro short in this account. I got my finger on the trigger. I'm in.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Bro. Oh my God. Yo, I got $97. Oh my God. I need
Order filled.
I need 3 more fucking dollars. Yo, by the way, how fucking awesome was that? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Yo, that was like free fucking money. You're welcome. Oh, I just fucking did it. Yo, I just got over it. Yo, it counts as yo. I'll show you. I mean, it's the same fucking trades I took on the screen. Oh yeah, boy. The only problem is I was short $3. So how they work is to count as a trading day. So these are all funded accounts, right? So to count as a trading day, you need to have over $200 made. So this one was short. It's almost at a payout. So I needed to get a trading day in there. I literally just got it by I'll show you. I literally just put my order right here and it wicked up and just got it. But taking the same trades. You're welcome. I knew it was gonna dump. Bro, that was like a 40-point dump ski. Not 40 point. Is it 100 point? That was 60 now. Wow. Yo, there you go, BK. Thanks, Miss Goody. Send the money to my baby mama. Bro, that was like when I called that guy out on Topstep TV. That'll go down as the ultimate line ever on that fucking show. Why isn't his name, his name's not showing. What is he owe his baby mama money? Bro, everybody was like, the other guy was like in shock that I said that. Yo, this account was down $1,200. Now it's down $56. Oh man. No. Yo, Dream. Now you're gonna come in with Dream H and all the other names too. Kim Henderson. Yo, straight up bots. Yeah. Oh, Alphonse, you're another dude. It's the same guy. He just comes in with all these accounts and puts the code in. So the only real account that's down is not that account. This is the only account that's down. It's a eval. Oh, it's crazy, Miss Goody. There's so many scams. It's the amount of scams that go on is ungodly. It's crazy. Everybody's got a scam. Everybody's got a scam. Yeah, this is my only red account today. And it's an eval. Today was awesome. How do you get the bots out? They just come in here. Yeah, on Discord. Yeah, I get people that add me. I get Cove Traders that add me, like Cove Trader dot or something like that. Or the O is like a 0. Dude, I get them all the time. I'll tell you what, though, people are falling for it because they wouldn't do it. They wouldn't do it if it wasn't working. You know what I mean? Like this guy that comes in here and puts the code in. If he does that say he does that on every stream, right? He goes into every stream and puts his name in 10 times. She's just farming free accounts. But, obviously I know that it's a bot, so he's not going to be let in. But, other people don't care. They're like, I don't care. Well, I care. I'm not just going to give some guy who's scamming the system fucking free accounts. Bro, Vag was awesome. My boy Vag, you are a dog, sir. I was like, what? Just call me a fucking dog? These are done for the day. Just for transparency. These are all funded. 625, 144, 481. They're all funded. Hopefully I lock in a payout tomorrow on it. A watch time restriction? What do you mean? I don't care if they come in here. It's kind of amusing. I've caught so many people cheating. Are these the Similac accounts? They are, those are next gen accounts. I know nothing about the firm. I don't recommend it. I just had to get my code there so if somebody else doesn't steal my code and start fucking messaging people as me. Just so people don't message people as me, I get my code at every firm, even if it's shitty. And I just happened to be there and they offered some crazy fucking deal. And I was like, whatever. I was like, I'll take their money if they're offering this, like, as but am I going to get paid? I don't know. Well, I'm about to find out if they pay. So I usually don't tell anybody. Listen, before I say that I trade with anybody, I usually get a payout with them. I go through the process. Therefore, like, I can tell you a review based on my real experience, how long they take to pay, how customer service is, like a real review. I don't just tell you, hey, there's a new prop firm. Here's my code. Go fucking buy accounts. Like, I don't work that way. I make sure I go through the whole thing. So now you at least know if I say, hey, a review, it's a real fucking review. I'm not just telling you to buy an account. It's, hey guys, it's brand new. Use my code, buy an account. No, like, I feel like the person has some responsibility to buy their own accounts, go through the system, get a payout, contact customer service, and see what's really going on before telling anybody about it. I don't have a rep. Nobody even knows that I have accounts there. I just bought them with I'm more interested if they actually pay fucking people and take care of people more than anything. I don't really care about anything else. Well, they only work, I guess they work through AMP. on TradingView. It's a pain in the ass to trade on it. It's super. You saw before I got locked out. I couldn't sell because I had too many contracts. I don't know. It's one of those things. It's a coin flip. I don't know. I wish they had Tradeivy. I usually only trade on firms that have Tradeivy, to be honest with you. It just so happens that I just figured I'd just give it a shot. You know, I just like to provide a real back and forth. You know what I'm saying? I feel like I owe that to anybody who's ever on my stream. Like, if I tell you to go use Perdia, like, at least I can give you my actual, like, even though you don't see me trade with Perdia all the time, I grab an account once in a while. But at least I give you like my real, hey guys, they don't deny payout. Like, just a real fucking insight, not just some bullshit. I don't care if they're really good to affiliates, to be honest with you, man. I want them to be really good to their regular customers. I want them to be really good to the people that are using their service. I want them to have really good customer service. I want them to be able to pay people when they request money. I don't want to hear excuses like, oh, we need you to trade 5 extra days. I want them to be paying people and things like that. Like, that's all I care about. I don't care about all the other bullshit. And, I just want to make sure that the people that are using the account get treated correctly. And that's what I look for more than anything. Like, I've contacted, it's just TradingView. It kind of sucks, to be honest with you. Yeah. No, I mean, that's whatever. I'm very much, I'll be honest with you, I'm probably not buying any more accounts until they go to TradingView. Not TradingView, until they go to Tradeivy. I'm just out on it. I actually hate trading on TradingView. I need Tradeivy. I copy trade like 8 to 15 accounts at a clip. So trading one by one over here is actually a huge pain in the ass to me. It's a massive pain, to be honest. Also, they have the thing where so I bought 7 contracts. I couldn't sell out 7 contracts at once. I had a partial out until I got under 5. Because 7 contracts, I go to sell 7. It's above the max, I guess, of 10. So you got a partial out. No, but I want to copy trade. Like, I want to trade here and copy trade throughout the whole system, throughout my whole system. I have that set up through Replicanto on NinjaTrader. Oh, man, my freaking ears. But other than that, I mean, listen, I'll let you know when I get paid. Right now, Take Profit Trader is the top of the food chain. I love Take Profit Trader. Lucid's up there, Tradeify, Bro, they just bought that all back up. Look, it's just back and forth the whole day. Not the whole day, but all afternoons back and forth. There's a lot of chop today. Basically, this is all chop for about an hour and a half. They finally make a move, and then it's back to chop. The morning was awesome, though. We bought right off this bottom. I'll do a TPT giveaway on Friday, Reese. How's that sound? TPT giveaway on Friday. Bro, my ears are killing me with this. Yo, what is today anyways? Yo, you know what we missed yesterday? Dude.
Camel toe Tuesday, giveaway time. Camel toe Tuesday, giveaway time. Lights on, charts up, the stream ignites. Welcome to the war room, prop firm fight night. NQ candles flicker like a neon bar sign. Cove Trader on the mic saying all right, it's grind time.
Yo, anybody got questions?
Cove at the stream like I see where this goes. Daily giveaways, rolling poker night on deck. Cowboy in the future pick, cash on every check. Beginners to the best, grinding at that edge.
Yo, real quick though, anybody got questions? Because like realistically, the stream is more about making money, trading, and questions and things like that. Obviously, it's fun doing giveaways and whatnot, but I want to make sure you guys are actually like progressing. And if you got questions about anything, you know, ask. You know what I mean? Like this is open to everybody. I feel like you know, I definitely want to just throw it out there, ask questions, and everything else. So, you know, I am putting out, I'm behind on shit, but I am working on I'm working on a bunch of these. I'm gonna be putting this shit all in the Discord eventually. I'm definitely getting some really good I'm really getting some really good fucking profit factors and shit like that on a lot of strategies. I just got to put them all in the, I got them in here and I'm going to, these are all of them. I just made all these with EF. I just want to back test them all, see how they're adjust. I just want to play with all of them. These aren't duplicate. This is duplicate, but this one is based off like ATR or whatever. And this has got a hard TP and stop loss based on ticks or points. I'm just going to throw this. It'll all be free. It's all going to be in the it's all going to be in the Discord. Just going to throw it in there. Do you have a single video that shows how you choose trades? I do not, because it's not one strategy that I use. Like everyone is like, oh, I trade ICT. Oh, I do this. Like I do that. Like I would say my biggest thing is I come into trading with an open mind. So like people are like, oh, ICT, I can't trade or whatever the fuck. Like, dude, why don't you just give it a chance? Why don't you back test this shit to see if it works? I'm not saying I do all the strategies that they have, but like the simple ones, I definitely use. I definitely use fibs. I definitely use like fair value gap inversions and things like that. As you can see, what I like looking at the higher time frames, you know, just to kind of get a gist of what we're doing on the higher time frames. You know, I got breaker blocks and things like that on here. And breaker blocks or breakers or order blocks is really just support and resistance. Like it's just fancy support and resistance. There's nothing, it's all repackaged, a lot of the same shit repackaged. You know, how I caught this trade was at the end of the day, they basically dips a lot. They pull the orders. You can't get anything profitable. What were you, the biggest thing that I look at is sweeps of basically like, I'll show you. So I like taking out lows of sessions or orb lows, either orb lows, session lows, IB lows, and then playing it back up to the upside or vice versa. You know, I'll definitely look at stuff like that. You know, that's kind of how I got the trade over here to play out. I took gold on a fib retracement. You know, this is 9 in the morning up to the top. This is the 786. I took this long up I was actually in this. I might have only been in 3 contracts. I did play gold earlier with 6. I would just say that I kind of play a lot of things. I like the 50% retracement on the orb or the IB. The man is crazy, but the process works. See, so like, I don't need you to trade the same way I trade. You know, everyone's different. So I don't ever force things on you. I'm just telling you what works for me. You know, like Scotsman plays, as soon as the market opens, he plays the momentum on YM to the upside or downside. And he plays cattle the same way. And the guy made $1,500 today. So there's like 1,000 ways to do this. It's just, you got to find something that works for you. That's exactly how I go about things, Cartoon. I don't, honestly, every time somebody tells me how they trade, I fucking look it up. And then I'll run it in Claude to see if there's an edge on it. And I just play around with what's going on. I'll never knock someone however they're doing it, because if it's working for them, they might have something, and then maybe you take a little bit of that, you put it on this other thing that you were looking at, and it's pretty good. You know, but the results kind of speak for themselves here. Like, you know, and this account is copy traded among other accounts that aren't even on the screen. So things are really good. Hang on, I play the same thing, but it's something that I see. Sometimes I'm scalping. Some people aren't good at scalping. You know, like look at this. Ready? So this is the orb, right? I definitely had an order that did not get hit right here, and then it got hit, and it wasn't a great setup because obviously I wanted this wick to get me for the bounce. But then, like, I'll play that again. I played it again over here and took it to the upside. I like when multiple things overlap. So if you look, this is the NQ. The 786 retracement is right here. On top of that is the 50% of the orb. So now you got 2 things on top of each other. That's a great place to fucking buy. I mean, say you didn't even buy here, you just bought here. I mean, that's 716. I mean, you could have gotten 70 points. So say on the lower side, you got 40 points. If you get 40 points on the NQ, you could kind of be done for the day. You don't need more than 40 points. I think the big thing is just waiting. You know, waiting for something. But if you're new, I would start with like the orbs, the IB. I would never buy breakouts. Don't ever buy breakouts. Only buy pullbacks is probably where I would start. Yeah, I would never buy breakouts if I was new, because you're just chasing. And if your setup's not right, you're chasing, you're going to get fucking hosed. You know, that's the route I would go, guys. You know, I'm going to run the ducks and everything now. I just trying to drop some knowledge on you guys that are shit that's working for me, that should work for you. You know what I'm saying? Like some of this stuff, just overall, I wouldn't buy breakouts. Buying momentum at open is a little bit different because you're not like buying a breakout. And obviously somebody's be like, oh, look, it broke out up here and went. Yeah, but you know, at times, sometimes it flicks over and then comes back down and you get fucking destroyed. You know, I want to buy. So the reason you buy pullbacks is it already pulled back. Like when you buy, you could be wrong about it going up, and you could still be right though. Like you might get like, so, all right, ready? Here's a great fucking example. This is the 50% of the IB, right? Top, bottom. You pull back to the 50, you buy this long, right? It goes up. You could easily move to break even if you were targeting, say, the top of here. So say you're wrong because it doesn't go to the top, you at least get out of break even. But if you're out here buying fucking breakouts, it could come down and still be bullish. You know what I mean? Like, you got to give it a leeway. I always buy support for the most part. All right. I'm going to run this shit. I feel like I dropped some knowledge. Hopefully somebody got a nugget of knowledge and is happy, or they're like, hey, I learned a little something. I'm going to put it towards my trading tomorrow. I'm going to look at it later on. And if you have questions, feel free to ask in the Discord, right in the main chat. Right in the main chat. Just ask in the main chat. Here's the link. I don't post a ton, but the shit that's posted is really good. Like, Cartoon just put something in here that's very knowledgeable. You know, you're basically getting a course for fucking free. You're not having to pay thousands of dollars. So ask in the fucking chat. Ask. We need some tunes. What is this? Two firms? What?
Welcome to Trading Exposed, Cove Trader in the house. Two prop firm bosses and a title that should probably be illegal.
Yo.
Cold riding charts like a rodeo bull, never hedge. Screens glowing bright like a Vegas strip sign. Disco scrolling fast with the candles glow. More L's than a teacher on caffeine.
I'm looking at.
Every prop firm got his name on the screen.
There's AI music tab now.
Flashing bright in the live stream live. Cowboy trader run futures all night.
Yeah, you get caught on breakouts. You know why? It could break out and then it comes back. You get stopped, but technically it's still bullish. You know what I'm talking about? We need to do numbers game tomorrow, by the way. We need to do numbers game. Yo, Mason, you really do something.
Welcome to the golden spot. Saddle up your seat. With futures every morning makes this
you hear Mason?
Complete. Giveaways daily. The community loud. Me in the live stream.
Mason, you got 10 seconds.
Moving fast. Wipe
your ass and get to the computer.
Someone shout from the back of the room. Cover trader fucking getting it.
Mason.
Cold leaning forward, watching price climb high. Come on, baby, one time. As the breakout flies, I was doing those crazy.
All right, you're in. Now you go back to
military brand and the breakout hits. Cherry explodes.
I'm just messing around. I'm just messing around.
Yo, smash the confetti.
Trader pass, Tradeify pass, Lucy.
Yo, Sean posted all these links here, so I got them all.
Let's go. Lights on, charts up, the stream ignites. Cove Trader on the mic, taking futures to new heights. Daily giveaways,
what up, Dan?
slamming disco poker in the bag. Prop firm, trading, riding markets like a maniac. He grabs
Bro, Tim had a bad day today. I'm glad Tim's gonna make it. Tim, you here? Go!
Cold freezes like a system fried. Says well, that just ruined mail for me, no doubt. Apex pass. Take profit pass, my funded futures pass.
What do we got? Tim, you here? Tim, hopefully you win, man. I'm pulling for Tim, only because he had a bad day. I normally don't pull for anybody. Timmy! Timmy! Yo.
Yeah, market don't go sideways because I need cash now.
It's gonna be my fucking head. Damn it.
Welcome to the war room, your prop firm battleground where beginners turn to
Yo, I'm supposed to play that softball shit tonight.
Stream the futures daily, fueled by fire and caffeine, fighting sideways.
It's raining out.
Like rebels on the screen. Giveaways every sunrise, community loud.
Tomorrow.
The brotherhood of chart warriors ready for the strike. Cove's finger on the trigger, volatility and bound. Make a move, damn market, just don't stay flat. He sounds. So market don't go sideways.
You need the Marie song?
Because I need cash now. Turn this chop into thunder. Melt the chart somehow.
Alright, here we go. Alright, we're going. Hold on. Here we go. What do you guys, you want the Marie song?
Oh no. Not like this. Sean C caused this.
Let's see who wins.
So here we are.
I like big stops, I don't pretend. Tight stop,
Is this the Marie song you're talking
one
about,
tick
or
shake
the
and they
NQ
out
song?
to play. Marie still in like, yeah, I'm staying. Chart
This
starts
one or the
wiggling,
NQ
Discord
song?
loud. Someone already panicking in the
Ring of
crowd.
Fire.
Stop too close, yeah, that ain't wise. Marie sitting comfy while
Yo,
the
it's
weekends
Camel
cry.
Toe Tuesday.
Chat moving fast, Mod say chill. Someone posting nonsense against their will. Cove reads a message, leans back slow.
Bruh, why would you even type that though?
Laughs a little, tries to
Ring
refocus.
of
Well,
Fire.
that just ruined mail for me, no hocus. Whole chat broken, stream derailed. Sean C
Oh,
smiling.
that's awesome
going
news,
great.
Tim.
Marie likes big stops, and she
Dude,
cannot
that's
lie.
fucking great
Bricks get
news.
wild, she's still inside. When the
Holy
market
shit.
chops and the setup's dry, she widen that stop, let
Bro,
the
that's
trade
wild.
decide. Yeah, Marie likes big stops, and she cannot lie. While tight stops cry, and that's why market don't go sideways, cause I need cash now. Somebody tweet something. Save us somehow. Sideways
somebody's
candles,
gonna win by
mental
the camel
strain.
toe.
Discord praying for volatility rain. Someone types it. Everyone knows market don't go sideways.
Somebody's
There it
gonna win by
goes.
a
Ain't
camel toe.
cold gals, no filter now. Bro, I need Trump to fucking tweet something bad right now.
It's good to
Chat
hit the gas
explodes.
pedal.
Nobody learns. Marie's still holding while the market turns. Marie likes big stops, and she cannot
Damn.
lie. That extra room keeps trades alive. If it wicks down hard, she won't comply with fear-based exits or panic replies. Yeah, Marie likes big stops, and she cannot lie. Discord unhinged, Sean C nearby. If this song's
Damn.
stuck in your head all day, that's on him. We tried to say no, okay? This was unnecessary. This was avoidable. Sean C caused this. Sean C caused this.
Timmy! This is a good one. I'm looking at Marie's songs right now. Marie, you can go to any, you just,
Top outs, breakouts, checkouts.
yo,
Why is it always me that
yo,
gets
Ring of
stopped
Fire.
out? I need some lessons on NQ or an entire PhD. Cause every time I think I got you figured out, you do something to me. NQ, I loved you. NQ, you
Dude, today was
got
awesome.
me. NQ, my heart stuck. NQ,
All right. Anybody got any questions? Any questions? Asia's been moving around better than everything else. Asia's awesome.
Out and ran. Look at all the money I would have won, but you stopped me out again. You wicking me out again. You stopped me out and ran. Look at all
Yeah, NQ has been, Asia's been awesome though. You basically get like one, like you get a directional move.
NQ, I loved you. NQ, you got me. NQ, my heart stuck. NQ, I can't leave you. I loved you. NQ, you got me. You got me. My heart stuck. NQ, I can't leave. I am going to trade gold now. I am going to trade gold.
Oh, man. Oh, that's crazy, though. Well, at least that's awesome news, man. Dude, this is fucking, that's Maurice music. That's awesome, dude. Oh. I'm just freaking relaxing for 2 seconds, just checking out, seeing what I want to do here. Yo, what up, Massive? I'm decompressing from my day is what I'm doing. Oh, what a crazy day. It was a crazy day. I'm enjoying myself, and I'm just seeing what I need for a payout on some of these accounts. That's really what I'm trying to figure out. I forget what I need to get to on some of these freaking accounts. Oh. Have you ever tried the inside outs? Dude, I'll be honest with you. I ran Claude on inside bars on 1, 3, and 5 minute. The first bar of the day, it sucks. The strategy doesn't play out. Let me see if I can show you. I'm trying to scroll through which one I have. It didn't play out. Yeah, watch. On the 2 minute chart, watch this. You ready? Make here. Give me a back test on an outside bar followed by an inside bar and then take the breakout. You use the 2 minute chart. Yo, straight up inside bars didn't work. I've done inside bars, outside bars. I've done first bar of the day. You probably combine it with other shit, but just raw taking just that. I've back tested a lot of people's strategies on X and YouTube and whatnot. Either they're not telling you the whole story or it doesn't really work. Because they should be able to just put the strategy in. They should be able to put the strategy in and then just show you the stats. So you got to wait for it to be in a flag. Yeah, well, I get discretion, but like when people just say, "Hey, this is the strategy," you know, it's working on it right now. Bro, Tim, were you fucking delayed, bro? It was you.
Voice
you
news
literally typed in the
disconnected.
chat. You literally typed in the chat after you won. I think you're delayed. Everyone does their coding work with AI now, man. So it tested 44 days worth of data with the information you gave me. It's basically a 50% win rate. There's either more to the strategy. That's with a 60 point TP, 50 point. That's in actually that's in ticks. All right, hold on 1 second. See, like you can adjust some of these things. You know, so if you take both of them, obviously, if you don't do 90, if you do, let's see what 90 days brings you. Something weird. See, I've never seen that before. Something fucking weird happened. But this is what the last 30 days looks like. Obviously, you can adjust maybe, you know, yo. But yeah, I don't know. It's one of those things that's kind of like, I don't know. I think you want it to work. Like, oh, inside bar, consolidation, breakout. Like, it's just, it's one of those things. 11:50. I'm on the 5-minute chart. Oh yeah, like the doji looking candle. Yeah. The doji candle right here. But honestly, once you had a change, so basically I would be in that even before that candle. One, you got a break Change in state of delivery on this candle. I'm pretty much in on that. I'm in on that. You also have a small fair value gap you made on the way up. Like, I'm in on this big candle. I think I was in on that candle. Hey man, if it works for you, stay with it. That's how I tell everybody. If it's something that you want to do, I'm putting together a lot of different strat. I'm putting together. So my ultimate goal is I'm going to back test all these strategies, right? All these ones I made. These are all strategies I made, by the way, using all of them. These are all strategies I made. So I'm going to take these strategies. I'm going to put it in a database on basically put it on Ninja. And I'm going to run it on Claude. And basically, I'm going to just trade basically all the strategies in a real money account, just the cream of the crop ones. Not every single one of them. I'm going to go through all of them and only take the best of the best. This is the one this is the first buy. Oh, that's not it, actually. It's called continuation. First buy. Oh, here it is. So this is your first fair value gap. I haven't even played around with this yet, but I got to play around with TPs. Basically, it takes the first fair value gap, whatever way. Oh, this is in points. And the mitigation means once you invert it. I'm just curious, like, I was curious if you got like a big fucking, and the max drawdown gets, see, like, that's what you got to watch out when you do this shit. Like, the max drawdown's at 10,000. That's not going to be good if the max drawdown is at 10,000. You know, because if you're using a 50K account, you know, you kind of want to keep that max drawdown like $3,000 or less. Maybe that's not the right time frame. Maybe it's the right time frame is a different time frame. You know, or maybe I just do just a stop. Like, hey, I stop out at 20 points. I'm just curious. I did 2020. What happens? Oh, this is short only. There you go. I don't know. You got to play around. Like, you got to play around with all this shit. I kind of like this first fair value. Watch this. It worked well on the 15. But I think it was for like, so this basically takes the first. So this is actually a quality strategy. See how you're basically just staircasing up? Profit factor 1.5, 22,000 P&L. I mean, this strategy is actually a legit strategy. Now, what comes into play is maybe you open it up to first orb. See, now I find something that works, and then I put it in the live environment on a sim account for, I just want to see some, for a couple weeks to make sure it's legit. See, like this went really well for a while, and then all of a sudden just fucking started to tank. Like this strategy, if you just looked at this, was awesome until it wasn't. But that's how I do it. I'm basically, like this is pretty legit. Where did it really start cranking? Basically, this is the beginning of the year. The problem is like this is a different market. Like these are different markets. So, you know, like the market we're in is probably more like this, to be honest. It's probably, this is when the Iran shit started. But, you know, I don't know. It's one of those things that you got to play around with. This is pretty much what I do is I will just play around with strategies. Like once I know I kind of got something where I can get, what the fuck changed here anyways? I don't know what just changed here. But once I can kind of get shit, then I know, okay, like, you know, maybe I'll do longs only. Maybe I do longs only. I do both. I change the times. You know, maybe we don't trade after 2 o'clock. You know, basically there's a couple of variables. I won't take a trade after 2 o'clock, or, you know, I'll do all types of stuff. So, you know, like this is not a terrible strategy, but yeah, a couple fucking losers and it could crush you. Because the stop is the mitigation. So, you know, you're probably going to play this with like 3 micros. So if you play this with 3 micros, 11,000 is really only 3,000. Which is probably what you would play it with. See, like this is saying that it has to form in the first. See, it takes out trades. So like if you don't care when it forms, yeah, now this is like whatever the first 15-minute is. Holy shit, look at that. That's taking the first 15-minute fair value gap after 9 o'clock. So basically the market opens, it creates this 15-minute. I'm wondering why it got in here. Oh, because this actually isn't even created till this candle closes. So once this candle closes, it buys. And then it closed the position. Actually, it closed at 2 o'clock or whatever I have it set at. I'm gonna hit the replay on this. So see, it created this little 15-minute fair value gap, and then it took the long. Bro, this one's actually fucking legit. Did I just fuck this up somehow? Is it because I changed the candles? See, how did I just go from... This was looking better. Let me see what happens. But I forget the date I had on here. Oh. I mean, it's pretty freaking legit. So this is 1 midi. So if you did 3 micros, like watch. So you'd be up 12,000 to be $4,000 drawdown. I'm playing just the gap is created and it buys as soon as the candle closes. Now, if you want to play it retests, I could probably add that on here, like make it retest. You know, this is all going down the rabbit hole now, TJ, like in a good way, but like, yeah, now, you must retest the 50% line or the 30% line of the fair value gap. And then I would have that enabled or disabled. So I can use the same script and add it here. I gotta go. It's almost 5 o'clock, dude. I fucking went down the rabbit hole. Guys, ask questions in the chat if you want. But I'm gonna play around with this a bit, and I gotta go make dinner. I got a whole bunch of shit to do. But if you have any questions, feel free to ask. That's what this is about. No, it's only the first one of the day, cartoon. It's the first fair value gap of the day. They're retesting that one, nothing else. I'm out. Peace.